known you since I was a little kid. We struggled hard to get the life that we living now, so we had to stay together, now we here. Who would've known, 3 Geminis, we be living large. Paid the cost to be bosses, now we out here. Cause we trusted the process, now we can't fail. Stay 10 toes down, even when it goes down, I be right here. You're my idea, our love is so true. I'm lucky to know you, once we never had nothing, but now we out here. Making memories and traveling the world. We are living the life that we always deserve. Taking care of each other, you're my friend and my lover. Going back in the Bronco, we gotta go loco. I don't know what I'd do without you. Everything you want, baby, you know I got you. Anything.
What's going on, guys? It's just before 5 o'clock, heading back out. Crab season round 2, back to Newport. Gotta try and limit out today. We'll be doing a catch and cook. Yeah, I hope we have some fun and catch a lot of big crab. See you soon.
Trying to find a better spot to
Alright guys, we're running it back at Sawyers. Looks like we got some great weather. Today I'm here with my son Joseph. His first time out crabbing. We're better prepared this time. We came here earlier. I got more bait. And the reason I'm back at Sawyers is because I forgot some items here. The last time I came, my hydro flask, a hoodie. So I said, hey, why not make it a trip and come back out here and get some more crab? So today we're gonna be doing a catch and cook. First part of a catch and cook is catching. I already got the chicken in the traps. You guys can see that. We got 2 traps, 2 rings, chicken, new engine on the boat, less than 10-hour use. And yeah, as you guys can see, man, we got blessed with the weather. Let's get this trip started. Let's head out, guys. keeper, guys. First keeper. First keeper. Let's go. At least we got one on the first string. Open the cooler, please, Joseph. Keeper, guys. Don't get me excited. Nice male, hard shell. He's short. He's short, guys. On we go. You gotta pull it quick, Joseph. Let's go, Joseph. Get the lucky pull. Wait, let the water get out first. I don't think we got a keeper, guys. Just measure it right there. I don't think it's big enough, but you can measure it. You have to put this. Right now it's 12:50. I don't even know how long we've been out there. About 4 hours at least. This is our second keeper. This is how you can tell the gauge is stuck. It's not coming out. A legit keeper. So we got two. The crab looking a little better in this area, so we're gonna drop our traps back in and continue on, man. It's been a slow go, but it ain't finished yet. We ain't done till the final bell rings. So let's keep going. Keeper time. Crab. Oh,
that's a keeper right there. Oh, Dad, look at that one.
what the hell is that?
That's a monster.
That's our personal best right there. Fresh bait, guys. Make sure you guys put in fresh bait. This is a pot with fresh bait.
I think two, Dad. Two good ones. One in the back end.
Oh,
That
maybe
one.
maybe two keeper. Two keepers. Two keepers, maybe. Mama's gonna be happy. Whoa! This is the first time I've seen Joseph smile in 2023. He loves his crabby. Open up. There was a guy who told us, I seen him at the dock when we first launched this morning, and he passed us about 30 minutes ago, and he said the crab was just about to start getting good. He didn't cap. He told the truth, so whatever your name is, respect. Maybe three keepers in here. I don't know. Let's gauge this bad boy. Keeper. Open up. Hey, no fighting. I don't know. Maybe only two keepers, guys. Only two. Oh my God. Guys, I cannot even believe. certified gauge buster. Certified gauge buster. Strong as heck. Ugh. Let's go. Let's keep it going. I want to show them. Show my friend this. On to the next. Let's go. Can we go 2 for 2? Hit a like for 2 for 2. No keepers. No keepers, guys. That's all right. We'll keep working. Oh, bait eating up. Bait eating up. Gotta rebait. Let's go. Come on, keepers.
Oh, one maybe.
I don't think so. Keepers. I don't know if any keepers, guys. Good.
Oh yeah.
One. Look like we had, oh, this is an old claw. And for my son Jonah, some starfish. That's all we got. I didn't know starfish eat chicken, but it looks like they like chicken too.
Maybe one.
Nah, I mean, no, short by far.
That's
The
all
Joseph the Pro. That's not meat, Joseph.
meat. It all in here. That's
Oh,
all
yeah,
meat,
yeah,
because
all in
that's
there,
all
yeah.
meat.
Here we go, guys. Some top shelf Dungeness crab. We'll let Joseph work through this and we'll show you it when it gets all bagged up.
What's up, everybody? So Joey and Joseph went crabbing. I couldn't go this time because I worked this afternoon, but we are gonna do the other half of this portion of our video, which is, so they're catching the Dungeness crab, but we decided to do our own crab boil. So my job is to go get all the ingredients from the store and then the seasoning for all the corn and sausage, potatoes, and the seasoning that we're gonna use for the Dungeness crab. So we have to do our share, so that's what we're gonna go do. Me and these two guys. And then I have to come back home and work this afternoon. I do work remotely, so that's a plus. But yeah, we're gonna go to, do you guys wanna go to Walmart or Target? We can do Walmart too. Walmart? Alright. Let's get an orange table cover.
Weeks in the wind and months in the mud, got a little left to go before he
done.
Okay, come on, let's focus.
You can find in her photos all the time she spends traveling with friends and singing in the bed. The calm she feels on her family's land. All the clothes and the shoes and the makeup she's worn are now to where's the wind
We got corn, we got sausage, we got shrimp, potatoes, and courtesy of Joseph, when? Whoa. Papa, that little spoon ain't gonna do it, bro.
When it's over, he will know.
And now we get to enjoy the hard work. There you have it, guys. The feast is complete.
You just touching it?
Andre the Giant is about to get eaten.
Thank God for this.
Thank you, Jesus, for this meal. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, please. I enjoyed crabbing with you guys. And until the next adventure, peace.
that's the way the rivers turn back to
When it's over, he will
every sun leads to snow.